If you're tired of juggling passwords and writing them down in notebooks, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to store all your logins without using a notebook, and how to do it securely and easily with the software that I trust. Stay tuned to the end for an exclusive free trial offer for the software we're using today, just for my viewers. We all know how important it is to protect your logins and passwords, but if you're still writing them down on paper or trying to remember them all, you're putting yourself at risk. The solution? A password manager, but not just any password manager. One that is secure, user-friendly, and has everything you need to make your life easier. I've tested a lot of password management software out there, and after some trial and error, I found the one that works best for my needs. This software securely stores all your logins in an encrypted vault, so you never have to worry about losing them or writing them down in a notebook again. The software fills in your passwords automatically, which means no more manually typing them into websites. What makes this software even better is that it works across all your devices. Whether you're on your computer, tablet, or phone, you'll have instant access to all your logins without the hassle of remembering them or having them written down somewhere insecure. Now I know what you're thinking. Isn't this risky? What if the password manager gets hacked? Here's the thing. This software uses industry-leading encryption technology. That means even if someone were to get access to the software itself, they wouldn't be able to decrypt your passwords without your master password. And trust me, it's extremely hard to hack. It also has multi-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your account. This is key for preventing unauthorized access to your login information. It's one of the reasons why I trust this software to keep my logins safe. And here's the kicker. I'm offering you an exclusive free trial for this software, available only to my viewers. You can try it out yourself, follow along with this tutorial, and see how easy it is to store all your logins securely without using a notebook. The link for the free trial is in the description below, so make sure to grab it while it's available. Now, let's quickly review what you need to do to start using this software. First, sign up for the free trial through the link below. Once you're in, you'll be able to import your current logins or start adding them manually. The software will automatically store and encrypt everything for you. From there, you can start using the autofill features across all your devices, so your logins are always accessible and secure. Key takeaway. Don't store your logins in a notebook or try to remember them all. Use a password manager that securely stores your logins and protects you from potential hacks. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to start using the software today. Remember, your logins are valuable. Protect them with the right tools. Check the description for your free trial, and thanks for watching.